How to sign in to your Home Depot credit card account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign in to your Home Depot credit card account. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So launch a web browser on your device and now click on search bar at top of the screen and type in Home Depot credit card login. And now press enter on your keyboard. On this results section, you will see different kinds of websites that help you to access the login section of Home Depot credit card, but you need to scroll down and choose the credit card services one for the Home Depot login. Currently, this page access has been denied due to different errors. But in case if you get access to the login section, you can simply enter your user ID and password. If you forget your user ID or password, you can easily retrieve user ID from this link given below at bottom left corner. And if you forget the password, click reset password link and then easily recover from there. If you wish to remember your user ID, check mark this box, otherwise leave as it is and click sign in button. After that, you will successfully log into your Home Depot credit card account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.